So this is our 2022 Ford Ekko. It's built on a Transit. So we started with a small lift, I think about 1.5 inches total with springs and spacers. Then we put these little bit bigger ATs on there with some upgraded rims. So we got this Raptor grill on there to kind of clean up the front end a little bit. This skid plate helps out. This thing didn't have great clearance before, so anything we can do to keep the underside safe kind of helps out. So the first thing we did was add a beer fridge outside. And then slide out Dometic Cooler. It's a 12-volt cooler, so you're powered up. So we needed a place to put some bike gear. Do you know what these bike mounts are?
They are, somebody else makes them, but I've only ever seen them from Rocky Mounts.
So we got these bike mounts in here, holds 2 bikes. We added this shelf up top, just help organize some of the gear. Then we put this Westcott Designs bumper on here, and this Rocky Mounts bike mount for a little extra bike hauling, bike shit. Cargo boxes to hold some stuff. These swing away as well to get to this back door if you need, so you can still get in here. Yeah, we bolted this Magma grill on there. It's a propane grill. It's great if you're a little taller like me. So it's a nice like marine stainless grill. Now we've got a propane line right around the corner and you can sit out here and grill. So it just connects to our tanks. I'll show you the inside. So inside here, the first thing we did was make a holder for this swing out table. Just something to give that somewhere to be while you're driving, as well as kind of reinforce the mount for this guy. The next thing we did was trade out the kind of funny magnets for some gas shocks on all the cupboard doors. Just makes it a little easier. Traded the gas range out for this induction top and kind of fit this cutting board section to fill the hole there. And then underneath added some shelving. Try to help organize the kitchen stuff. Then back here, same kind of thing with some gas shocks on these. We also added these 12-volt fans, just help move some air around. There's another one at the front. And then we also added another gas shock to these beds to just help them do their thing. A little bit of plywood reinforcement where these cabinets were kind of a little fragile before. Kind of dress up cabinetry back here to hide some of the plumbing. Some of this stuff was probably just put together pretty quickly, so we try to just make it a little more sturdy for traveling. So we got these seats, we got some leather slip covers made up for these, as well as some seat heaters, just a little upgrade from the cloth it came with. This Ekko is like a capable kind of camper van now. Should roll down the road a little nicer. Ekkos are from the factory. It's a pretty all right rig, but a few little upgrades and that'll keep it going down the road without some little stuff kind of falling apart. Overall, we've got a sweet rig now, so.